welcome to Instagram Marketing 101. In this first section, we are going to talk about the basic features of Instagram, how does it work, what you need to know about this platform. Then we are going to talk about the 2 rules I suggest you follow when you are building up your Instagram, the correct and the ethical way. I truly believe that's the only way you need to build it. Then we are going to talk about how to figure out what is your purpose, what is your goal with Instagram. Then I'm going to give you a little bit of homework. Basically, you just answer a few questions. This will lay down the fundamentals of your Instagram strategy. Later on, when we are going to talk about hacks and tactics, you can come back and see what is your main strategy so you can adjust those tactics to it. So once again, welcome. Thank you for enrolling and see you in the next video.